Hey everybody, this week we are going to do something a little different. We are going to use a program called WeVideo, and you're going to make your own animated GIF. So what we're going to do first is, I'm here in Google, I'm going to go to wevideo.com, and then on the top right, I'm going to click log in. And you'll see there's a lot of different ways to log in. We're going to log in with Google, just like we do for most things. And then you're going to click on your name to log in with your school account. And that's going to take you to the WeVideo dashboard. This is kind of like your home page for WeVideo. So what I'm going to do is come up here and see where it says GIF. I'm going to click that. And then it's going to take me into the editor. In the editor, I'm going to click Start Editing. And then I'm going to see that I have a whole bunch of cool little editing things that I can do. And it's going to limit me to 45 seconds of video because we're doing a GIF and it's going to be short. So the first thing I need to do is think of what I want my GIF to be. So it can be something like how you're feeling right now, or think about like if you're sending a text message or a Snapchat or something like that, and you want to send a funny meme or a funny GIF, you can do it that way. So I think the one I'm going to do is going to be a GIF for when I have a really good idea. So what I'm going to do first here is click record, and I'm going to use the camera that's on my computer to record myself. So I'm going to use the webcam, click next, and then I'm going to choose the camera that I want. I'm just going to use the built-in camera, and now you can see that I'm on the screen. I have a green screen behind me, but I'm sure most of you don't, which is fine. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to make sure that my microphone is set the way I want it. So I'm going to use the microphone on my MacBook because I know that one works. And then I'm going to click start recording, and it's going to record what I'm doing. So remember, my topic is going to be I have an idea. So let's start recording, and we're going to record. I'm not going to say anything because it's a GIF and there's no sound. So let's do this. Start recording. I'm going to give you a countdown. Then I'm going to do my thing. And then when you're done, you click stop. And it's going to give you a little preview. So I can click this and see how it looks. So I'm thinking. I've got it. Okay. And then when you're done, you click. If I like it, I'll click save. If I want to try it again, you can click record again. So I'm going to click save because that one works for me. All right, and you'll see up here it is converting that video into the kind of file that WeVideo can use. And it put my video down here in my editor. So actually, for a GIF, I have 3 different video lanes that I can use, or different layers. So right now, this is my bottom layer. So I'm going to just play this and, it just finished. There we go. I'm going to play this and see how it looks. All right. So I'm thinking. Got my idea. And if you can see at the end, those last couple of seconds, you can see that I'm talking to you. So that's not something I want in my GIF. So I'm going to edit that out. This blue slider moves back and forth. So I'm going to move it to the part where I'm finished with my GIF. So right about there. Okay. And then I'm going to click the scissors, and it's going to make a cut. Now, this little piece over here is what I cut off. So I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to click here and then click the garbage can, and that part goes away. So now when I watch it, I cut out that end part. So now it's just me thinking, I get my idea, and then it's done. Now that we have that, I'm going to show you a couple other things that you can do. If I go down to my video clip here and I double click, so I click 2 times, it's going to open up the options for that video clip. So from here, I can do a few things. I can rotate it, flip myself around. I can flip myself back and forth. I can flip myself upside down. And then I can play with the scale. The scale is going to like zoom in and zoom out. So because I don't want to see this white space from my wall in the background, I'm going to click here and I'm going to zoom a little bit so that's cut out. And then if I want, I can click here and I can actually move this around a little bit so that I'm in the middle of the screen, or you can move it wherever you want to be. Okay. The next option you have up here is your volume control. So because I don't want this to have any sound, I'm going to click mute, but you can also make yourself quieter or louder if you're doing a video that has sound. The next one over is my animation, so I can do a fade if I want. So it'll fade in for a second, then fade out at the end. You can play around with that. Here are your color options. So if you're in a place that's a little bit dark and you want to brighten yourself up, you can do this and make yourself brighter, or you can make it darker if you're like recording outside or something like that. I'm going to click this and reset it back where it was because it's actually pretty good. And you can play with all these other settings. Okay, so all of those are done. I'm going to go down and click Save Changes. And it saved all of the things that I just did. Now, there are a couple other cool things that you can do if you want. You can do some overlays. Like I said before, you have different layers. So this video here is actually the bottom layer. If I want, I can layer things on top. So if I go to text, and let's say static text, there we go. I can get a text box, and let me use this one. So I'm going to actually drag it right here on top, and I'm going to shrink it down so it matches up with my video. And now you're going to see if I move around, that puts something on top of my video. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to double click, and now I can edit this box. So I'm going to actually move it over here so it's not covering my face. And then I'm going to come over to this side on the left, and this is where I can type my text. So I'm going to say something like, I'm thinking, right? So I'm going to make it a little smaller. Down here, I can change my font. So let's say, oh, this is like a Star Wars font. Sure, I'll use that one. I've got that. I can make it bold, italic, underline. This first one changes the color of the text or of the words. So I think I'm going to make that orange. And this one I can change the background color. So let's see. No, actually, I'm going to leave that one clear because that's like a highlighter. And then this one I'm going to change. It'll change the background color of my box. So I'm going to make that. Let's make it white. There we go. White with orange. Sure, why not? Adjust that just a little bit more so I can move it over here. All right. And then here you have your size. So you can do that and make your text bigger or smaller. And you don't have to really play with any of this other stuff. You can try it if you want. I'm going to go back up to the top here and add my animation. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to check the box to fade so that it comes in at the same time as my video. Save changes. And I'm actually going to use the same or the same text box, but I want it to say different things at different times. So I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to shrink it to about there. So let's watch right about there. So it's at 4 seconds. So I'm going to actually drag this over to 4 seconds. There we go. And then I'm going to make another box right next to it. And then I'm going to shrink that one down to here. Double click and I can do another animation. And it's going to say, I've got it. And I'm going to shrink this down so it fits again. I'm going to play with my font. Sure, we'll do that one. We're going to change my colors again. Well, let's make this the same. I'll do it orange and white again. And then I'm going to make that a bit bigger. Stretch. Okay. And save. So now when I go back and I watch, I'm going to click play. I'm thinking. I've got it. So that's how you do that. Now, actually, I'm going to go back and fix something here. I don't like the fade out at the end because it kind of cuts it off a little bit. So I'm going to change that. So that is my GIF. If you want, you can also upload pictures. So if you're in My Media and you click Import, you can pull pictures from your computer, or if you have pictures saved in your Google Drive, you can pull a picture straight from your Google Drive and put it into your GIF as well. When everything is finished, I always drag all the way back to the beginning and watch it through in full screen. So I'm watching it. I've got it. Okay, so I like the way that looks, so I'm ready to click finish. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to call it Idea GIF. Set that as the title. I can set my thumbnail if I want. I can change the size or the resolution of my video. I'll just leave it on medium for now. And then I'm going to click here so it goes into my Google Drive when I'm done. And I click export. And it's going to show me that my video is queued, and now I just have to wait for it to load. So that's what we're going to do for our project this week. If you have any trouble, or if you get stuck, or if you need some ideas, let me know and I'll help you walk through it. When you finish, you're going to post your video in the assignment here in Google Classroom, and you will be ready to go. I look forward to seeing all of your GIFs. Have fun.